Off now.
Yes, sir. Helicopter about to take off. Let's see it.
These people about to go up.
Helicopter about to take off. Whoa, it's going super fast. It's going 1,000,000 miles an hour. Look at that. That would slice you up. That would slice you right in half. Live and direct. Helicopter about to take off.
The thing for the food hasn't even went off yet. We got tacos.
There it go. There it go.
It's going up for real.
There it go. Whoa! She's swinging.
What? It just took off right on in there, y'all. Right on up in there. It's gone. Look in the view of Brentwood. Alright, y'all. That was the exit.